everyone, in this video we're going to go through while loops. So while loops, they execute a bunch of code as long as the conditions are true. So for example, we have I is equal to 1. So we set the variable I equal to 1. And in here we have while. So while I is less than 10, we're going to have it print I. And then while it prints I, we also want it to increase by 1. So I is equal to I plus 1. So we'll give that a go. So I starts from 1, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then it doesn't print out 10 because 10 is not less than 10. And then we can also add something. So these spaces there, those are indentations. So we could add a statement outside of the loop. So we could say while I is less than 10, etc. And then if it's not less than 10, so else, it could print not less than 10. So it goes from 1 to 9, and then it goes outside of the loop, so not less than 10.